Welcome back, knot enthusiasts. Today, we're diving into the vice versa knot, a game-changing solution for joining two slippery synthetic ropes, or even securing bungee cords. This knot is not just practical, it's one of the rare knots that excels in holding slippery materials together with ease. Let's get started. Begin by laying your two rope strands parallel to each other, with the ends pointing in opposite directions. Take the top strand, we'll call it the blue one, and bring it underneath the bottom strand, then loop it under itself. At this point, you should see a simple, neat loop forming. Next, grab the bottom strand, the yellow one. Wrap it over the blue strand around and then pull it upwards, creating another loop. Now here's the trick. You'll notice two loops forming. Cross the loops, right over left, to set up the vice versa knot's signature structure. It's time to thread the ropes. Take the blue strand and pull it up through the yellow loop on the left. Then, take the yellow strand and pull it up through the blue loop on the right. With all four strands in place, grab the ends and begin to pull them tight. You'll see the vice versa knot come together, forming a secure and elegant connection between the two ropes. The result? A knot that's not only functional but also dependable for slippery or stretchy materials like bungee cords. Whether you're adventuring, boating, or just tackling a tricky rope project, the vice versa knot is your go-to. Give it a try and see how this versatile knot can elevate your rope work. Don't forget to like, subscribe, and share for more knot tying tips and tricks. See you in the next video.